lower level.
This is
Just a field.
It's nice here. It's a big. Oh, there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
before.
Step back up here. This way. Otherwise, if you go there, it's too narrow to get past.
We are supposed to go there, but it's not. It's okay.
No, that's just another field. That's the field that I saw before.
The farm field.
Yeah, it's just that somebody's using it as a shortcut. But the farmer won't be happy.
Yeah. Right. The big stone over there. It's nice there. It's a flat.
So it depends whether you want to go down the next level and then go back, make it short, or you continue going and keep going. It's up to you.
Yeah, the big stone. Oh, we can. If we can go here, we can go to the big stone here. I'll go there only. No?
Well, I think that even if we continue further, we'll still come down, but we'll come down to that path
Yeah.
that was what you wanted to go to before.
Yeah.
You know, where the trees are like that. So.
No, we can continue walking and then.
Yeah, we'll go down because
Going.
remember when we first got here, we were coming up the stairs and those people were coming down the stairs. Right, they got halfway and then went along that path, didn't they? That they wanted to go down, that you wanted to go down.
Yeah.
So obviously they've done the opposite. So we are going to go down that path that they went down. I nearly went then. This way.
It's nice to take a photo here, my love.
Well, you're going to go down and they come back up again.
Only here, the overlooking here.
Oh, go ahead.
At the side, right? It's a big rock here. It's nice over there, it's overlooking. My husband taking photos. The nice view here.
That looks like tatty, so be careful.
The try.
I bring you to all the fancy places, don't I?
Yeah.
All the fancy places with mud.
It's nice here, my love.
Would you don't slide over the side?
Here.
You're going to be working underneath these leaves, okay?
Yeah. It's deeper.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to warn you about. You got the camera pointed at all the mud going there.
Yeah. The muddy hero.
You're walking along going like that and you just pointed it just at that.
Yeah. I'm pointing at your back also. Yeah. Maybe it's no more than the nice overlooking view. The sun over there.
Remember that path going down there, you're going to wonder.
It's okay. Yeah. Later.
Filipina scare birds.
No, they like Filipinos. They're black, no, they're crows.
Yeah, looks like it. There's some other ones as well, but
Birds there. Ay! Nickies!
not that a kettle big cake, Grand Blue.
Snacks! But we are walking uphill.
Energy.
This is our chocolate is the energy. Energy
Oh.
food. Energy.
Any calories that we burnt off coming up, we're putting them back on again now.
Yeah. I think I'm thirsty, my love.
Well, there's water down there.
Woo. There's a
What's
water
this?
over there.
It's a sewage treatment plant, so you can go drink that water if you like.
Yay!
Just kind of mind all the tatty.
The poo, the pee, anything.
When we get down there, you'll be able to film that path that you saw that's kind of trees everywhere. Sound like cover?
Okay. That's it for now, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, Vickers Couple.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
There we go. See whether we can get her to fall.
Yeah. Struggling.
There used to be probably years and years ago, steps here, but they've all rotten away. Look, you can just see the sticks coming up. So we're having to make our own path going down because we've got up, but now we've got to get down.
Use a stick.
No. What, you want to use a stick?
Stick to walk. It's okay, madam. Maybe we can buy a hiking. Hiking.
Well, it's walking stick or something,
Walking.
or
For the hiking.
yeah, they do have hiking. I don't know what they call them though.
Okay na. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
Don't lean on that; it'll go, and you'll be rolling down the rest of the hill.
Yes. No, what?
No, it'll make you
This is good. Okay.
wait till you fall.
Okay.
See if we can get some, some good video of you falling.
No, I am very careful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't got a free hand.
May bottle here.
Yeah. You watch you don't fall. Says him that just slid. It's a very old trees here as well. Just a little red dot up there. You just watch where your feet are going, never mind doing the camera. You just, what's that? Yep, videoing you now. No, if you fall, I'll get some scorecards and I'll give you a score out of 10. Yeah, you know, like a dive if you're going swimming. That's the last famous words. I will not fall. Ah!